She did that 100 on my test.
Ooh, what test?
Science.
That's
Well, I
what's up,
told you that
girl.
already, but I wasn't sure if it was the right one.
Yeah, she did send something that you had some missing
Yeah,
assignments.
she said I have CK12 this year.
Okay. Oh, it's just CK12?
Yeah, I did some in class today.
Okay.
So I have most of them finished, and then the rest I do like on Thursday.
Okay.
And I have to wear black for the play.
You
wake right up. I'm loving him so much.
So I'm out of the shower, and I normally wash my face in the shower. I think I already said that, but I wash my face in the shower. So, and I let my face air dry while I'm putting on everything. So I never wipe my face with anything afterwards. And then after I do my body care, which today for body care, I just use these two things. Both the Josie Marin. I use the Algae Pro Retinol, which I love. I love this, and look at it, it's like almost empty. So I have to get a new one, but I'm waiting for the sale. And then I use this one, Josie Marin with Argan Body Oil. And I think I told you guys that I only like Topless Tangerine. I don't like, I'm almost done with this one too. I don't like any of the other flavors. So I use that, and then I also have the Topless Tangerine fragrance mist. And you have to shake it up. I'm gonna get the body wash too, because I definitely want to try the body wash, but of course only in Topless Tangerine. I'm gonna use this Ordinary peeling solution. I like it. It has AHA 30%, BHA 2%. It's a 10-minute exfoliating facial peel. So I do put this on my face. It does tingle. And then I set my timer for about 10 minutes because that's how long it wants you to leave it on for. What's the clock? What's the clock? I'm back in 10 minutes. We are going to rinse off. I do use warm water. I think it's warm water. Yep, lukewarm. Let's try to make lukewarm water. This 360 acne clearing serum from the Incubus, and I put this all over my face. I feel like 2 pumps. Summer Fridays Jet Lag Overnight Eye Serum. I actually love this stuff. It definitely has changed the look. The Josie Maran Pink Algae Pro Retinol Moisturizer.
Place we have to scope the scene and see if there are any black people eating there.
Gotta scope the scenery.
Does it look black friendly? Is the atmosphere a little thick when I walk in? Did everybody look at me? Did it go quiet? Did it get dead silent?
One thing I hate.
We have to do all of that.
Don't do that.
Glad you don't have to experience that. I mean, have you ever seen black people? I need all the white people to the back.
Period.
All the non.
Because Sophia ate, I got her some sushi from Wegmans when we went to the supermarket. Jason and I worked out. Jason got on his bike trainer. You know, you saw me do the elliptical. And I shouldn't be eating, but the thing with me and food is like, I go through these phases. If I do right and I'm like eating right, I'll be fine. But if I go through these phases where I'm just like jumping into it and doing it, it'll get to a point really fast where I'll start to binge eat. And I don't want to continue to binge eat because that's been happening to me the past 2 weeks. And like, I'll come home from work and everything I see in sight, like I'm scarfing down because like I'm so hungry, because I've been practically starving myself. Not starving myself, but I've been like fasting and limited my food intake, and caused me to binge. I've been like that since I was a little girl. Like, I don't know why that happens to me, but like, I just want to eat everything in sight when I do that. So I'm trying to ease my way into it. I don't want to go full on like into diet mode or whatever you want to call it. So I am going to try to make myself something really quick. I don't know what I will make myself, because you guys know we just went to the supermarket, so I don't have nothing to cook, because we still got to go to Costco and get like the meats and stuff. So you know what's funny? I feel like this is gonna be nasty, but let's try this, because I got this from Lidl. There's some bruschetta chips, and these are, what is this? A bruschetta topping. So let's try this. I got some brie, and that's probably not the, it's not the healthiest. It's not. This is the brie that I used last time on my my cheese board. This is not my favorite brie. I do not like really care for this brie. I like a more creamier brie. This is a double cream brie, but it's not like super creamy, and I think I'm just gonna stick to getting my cheeses and stuff from Wegmans. I'm not gonna do anymore. A spoon. Go ahead, open it up. Let me taste my myself. Crunchy, really crunchy. Yes, this was look like. This is man tiny, so. It's okay. Let's try with the brie on here. A little thing of brie. It's like, it got like jalapenos and peppers in it. Yeah, I think I had bruschetta stuff like one time. So cute though. This is it with the brie. Let's see. I don't know, y'all. And I'm definitely a person that when I go to the supermarket and I'm hungry, I'm always hungry when I go to the supermarket. I just buy whatever I see in sight. That made me like, ooh, they look good. I gotta stop doing that. I'm gonna do this sleep time tea. I think I got this from Marshalls or something, to be honest. Because I got another sleep time tea and I don't like the way it tastes. So. I don't know, that broke. Now that tea is made, I am gonna go and chill and watch one of my shows. I think it's a new episode of 90 Day Fiance. You know, I love that show. So, let's go upstairs. Let's check on Jay. I have to turn. I'm still getting used to light switches in here. Oh, these damn updates.
But I'm not sure.
His mom ain't gonna be with that.
To another country.
His mom gonna be like, hell no. And then he can he get a disability check in another country?
We have some real big decisions we have to make. But
His shrine, and that's where the ceremony will take place. You're overly dressed. This whole thing is crazy, but I'm willing to do whatever it takes to be with Daniel. What are they washing? What is that?